And so the reason I think breathing is so powerful is that everyone has a diaphragm, and it's the immediate link to the body, whereas the diaphragm is real-time control over brain state. So the brain knows what the body is doing by how fast the diaphragm is moving. It knows its overall activation states. So it sounds so simple, but I think it's only in the last 2 or 3 years that my lab and Mark Krasnow's lab at Stanford and other labs elsewhere in the world have started to identify the neurons in the brain that are linked to breathing and how those two things relate to one another. I'll just say one other thing about focus. So when we're in a high alert state, something very powerful happens that I think partially explains your ability now to drop into this book writing. When there's a certain amount of adrenaline in our system, our pupils dilate. Remember, the eyes are not connected to the brain. Our eyes are actually two pieces of central nervous system.